Microsoft Excel for Beginners. Module 1. Introduction to Excel Basics. Lesson 1. How to open Microsoft Excel on PC. Welcome to the first lesson of our Microsoft Excel training course, brought to you by Gift Tech Solutions. In this lesson, we'll explore various methods to open Microsoft Excel on a Windows PC. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to open Excel quickly and efficiently using different approaches. Let's get started. Our first method involves using the search bar in our Start menu. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Locate the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. Search for Excel. In the Start menu, you'll see a search bar at the bottom. Click on the search bar and type Excel. Step 3. Select Microsoft Excel. From the search results, look for Microsoft Excel or simply Excel. Click on the Excel icon to open the application. Next, let's open Excel using a desktop shortcut. Step 1. Locate the Excel shortcut. Look for the Microsoft Excel icon on your desktop. The icon typically looks like a green spreadsheet with an X on it. Step 2. Open Excel. Double-click the Excel icon to open the application. Another convenient way is to use Pinned Excel app on the taskbar. Step 1. Pin Excel to the taskbar. If Excel is not already pinned to your taskbar, you can do it easily. Open the Start menu and search for Excel. Right-click on the Microsoft Excel icon. Select Pin to Taskbar. Step 2. Open Excel from the taskbar. Once pinned, you can open Excel anytime by clicking the Excel icon on your taskbar. Another way to open Excel application is to use Shortcut. Let's create a keyboard shortcut for quick access. Step 1. Create a keyboard shortcut. Locate the Microsoft Excel icon on your desktop. Right-click the icon and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, find the Shortcut key field. Click in the Shortcut key field and press a key combination, such as Ctrl plus Alt plus E. Click Apply, and then OK. Step 2. Use the keyboard shortcut. Press the key combination you set, e.g., Ctrl plus Alt plus E, to open Excel. Lastly, you can use the Run command to open Excel. Step 1. Open the Run dialog box. Press Win plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Enter the command. In the Run dialog box, type Excel. Press Enter or click OK. Now you know multiple methods to open Microsoft Excel on your Windows PC. Using the Start menu. Using a desktop shortcut. Using the taskbar. Using a keyboard shortcut. Using the Run command. Practice these methods to find the one that suits you best. In our next lesson, we'll explore the basic interface of Microsoft Excel and how to navigate it effectively. Stay tuned and keep practicing. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy learning!